Choosing the right platform for your business email migration, Office 365 or Google Workspace, can feel overwhelming, but let's simplify it. These two platforms are industry leaders, offering unique benefits designed to meet diverse business needs. The key to choosing the right one lies in understanding your priorities, whether it's advanced tools, real-time collaboration, security, or cost-effectiveness. Let's start with Office 365. Known for its seamless integration with Microsoft's suite of applications like Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, it's a powerhouse for businesses that rely on advanced data analysis, document creation, and structured workflows. Office 365 offers a range of features like OneDrive for Business and SharePoint, which enhance team collaboration and make file sharing intuitive. It also includes Microsoft Teams for communication, which is highly popular for remote and hybrid work models. Now, let's talk about Google Workspace. This platform is all about simplicity and agility, with cloud-based tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, and Sheets. It's especially beneficial for startups and remote teams prioritizing real-time collaboration. Google Workspace enables multiple team members to work simultaneously on a document, making it ideal for businesses that thrive on flexibility and quick turnarounds. With its straightforward interface and integration with other Google services, it's an attractive choice for businesses that value ease of use. When it comes to security, both platforms offer strong measures, but they cater to different needs. Office 365 includes advanced threat protection and Microsoft Defender, providing robust protection against phishing, malware, and cyber threats. It also offers compliance solutions tailored to industries with strict regulations, such as healthcare and finance. On the other hand, Google Workspace provides effective security features like two-step verification and endpoint management. While it may not offer the same level of complexity as Office 365, it balances security with ease of use, making it a great choice for small to medium-sized businesses. To ensure a seamless email migration, best practices are essential. Start with a comprehensive migration checklist to outline key steps, timelines, and responsibilities. Use professional migration tools tailored to your chosen platform to minimize disruption. Before going live, conduct thorough testing in a controlled environment to identify and resolve any potential issues. And most importantly, follow detailed steps to safeguard data and ensure security throughout the transition. Both Office 365 and Google Workspace are excellent choices, but the right platform depends on your organization's goals and priorities. Are you looking for advanced tools and integration for complex workflows? Office 365 might be your answer. Or do you prefer real-time collaboration and a cost-effective solution? Then Google Workspace could be the right fit. Still unsure which platform aligns with your business needs? Contact our email migration experts today for personalized recommendations tailored to your unique requirements. With our guidance, you can make an informed decision and set the foundation for a seamless email transition and long-term success.